Why does your scanner show the P1409 engine code? What does it mean? P1409 is a diagnostic trouble code for EGR vacuum regulator solenoid circuit malfunction. It indicates a fault is detected in the EGR vacuum regulator solenoid circuit. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty EGR vacuum regulator solenoid. Damaged or disconnected electrical connectors. Clogged or leaking vacuum lines. Malfunctioning EGR valve. Faulty PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code is a manufacturer-specific code that can appear in many Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.